Hello friends, again welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video we are going to take our simple short straddle strategy on a bank nifty. We are going to discuss with a backtest report up to last 1.5 years how the system or the strategy is working good and well. So that we are going to discuss in this video. First, we have to understand what the margin is required to do the trade. The short straddle trade. So we need to know what is the margin which is required to uh, deploy the strategy. So let's take, for example, the current bank nifty price is 35,900. So if you are going to sell 35,900 call, we are going to sell one lot, and the put we are going to do another one lot. So we are doing a ATM straddle. This is the strategy and the payoff chart for this ATM straddle. But this thing which we are going to do on intraday basis, this is what a positional basis where you can get your profit when the market is settled in between your break even point. You are going to get the maximum benefit. If the market breaks over your break even point, so you are going to get the losses, and the loss should be unlimited, right? If you are doing this as a positional basis. Now on 29th July contract, if you are doing the trading and a short straddle kind of strategy, so that will give you maximum probability of profit is around 53%. The default itself the strategy having somewhere around more than 50% possibilities to make money from the strategy. That first point which we have understand. And the maximum profit if market stays on the same level, if market settled on the same level at the expiry, so we going to get a maximum of 23,000 rupees. That is what the premium what we have sold. But if the market moves over and above your break even point, so you got a break even this much of point around somewhere around 36,850. So almost what is your premium received combinedly in call as well as put options, both the premium, so that will give you one side as your break even. So the middle point is around 39,000, sorry, 35,900 is the current market price. So we are taking a 35,900. So we sold 528 call option and 422 put options. So we received around almost 950 point as a premium. So plus 950 and minus 950, it should be a safe zone for your short straddle, or this is what your break even point, upper side and lower side. So when the market moves more than that, the break even point you are going to make, or this strategy is going to make a loss. But so we are going to apply this strategy on your intraday basis, not we are going to take as a positional basis. In intraday basis, having the good ability to generate your profit while the market stays in a range. Even a trending market also we are going to make profit using this strategy. What are the probability of making intraday this strategy? The first one, the simple first thing, most range bound market we are going to make money. So that is what another beauty. And second one, trending market also we are going to make money. So one direction. How? So then let we discuss. And third one, only the V-shape recovery or A-shape recovery from the market, this kind of movement only we are going to lose money. So both options. So as our earlier video what we discussed, and you see that the capital required for the trade is around 1.7 lakhs with the NRML mode. So even we can keep this up another buffer, so we can make the capital to 2 lakhs to trade this position. So how it became the profitable trade? And even break even is more because we are not expecting that break even on intraday itself, but we are going to do with the weekly option. The margin should be the same for to do the strategy. Then how it giving you the profit on intraday basis? What we are going to do here, so we are the same thing which we are going to do on the ATM straddle. So what kind of thing we are going to make some difference from the trade? So when the market is 35,900, we are going to sell 35,900 call as well as 35,900 put. We are going to sell both. That is what most important point, and we are not taking for this for a positional basis, and we are going to take this as our intraday trade, right? So when intraday trades, we need the stop loss for the trade also. Even a positional trade, we should know where is your stop loss. So what we are going to do, so we are going to make a 20% stop loss for each leg. Some doubts people asking about how can make the stop loss. 20% from your entry part. So put you are taken at 420 and call you taken a 528. So from here you just keep 20% stop loss from the trade. So this is we are checking with the monthly options. So we are going to do on weekly options to understand that 422. From there we got a 20% stop loss. If market is trending, any one leg will trigger the stop loss. Either if the market goes up, so the call leg will hit the stop loss in an upside movement. If market is going downside in a single way, so we may trigger our stop loss and put, and remaining our opposite side the premium is going to decay, right? And range bound market, so both will trading a range and the premium will go going to decay, that time value of this particular option. So that time also we are going to make money. So when the market is moving in the same day and suddenly it spikes down in a A shape, or if going down and recovered in a V shape, so this kind of market only we are going to lose both the sides. So that time only our loss should be max. Otherwise this strategy will give you some better opportunity. So almost if you are comparing three kind of market scenarios, we will have 66% of probability of profit, right? Because the three conditions, one condition we are going to lose money, another two conditions we are going to make money. The only important point where we are going to make money on the two scenarios compare out of three, so that is giving you somewhere around 66% accuracy. The same thing which I've done a back test with the last from 2020. So here what I am doing here right now, you just keep watch on this this PDF. And now what we are going to do, we are going to sell a ATM put and ATM call of Bank Nifty. Here you see that the Bank Nifty which we are going to do that trade ATM options. It is the option ATM is selected based on the spot market price, not by the future market price. And we keep stop loss for each leg as a 20%. We don't move any stop loss to cost price. We simply keep it out, only put the stop loss. The two scenarios, three scenarios we can apply this. Either one stop loss and another one is a timing exit, or maybe a two stop loss, or without any stop loss. These are the things, the scenario. I'm entering at 9:30, I'm exiting at 3:15. So this is the scenario. What I'm going to entry at 9:30, I'm going to exit at 3:15. So that is what my entry condition. And second condition which I'm going to make the stop loss for 20% for each leg. And third one, if any stop loss, I'm going to keep hold opposite till 3:15. I'm not going to change any stop loss to cost price other than that. These three important things which I'm done in this back test. And what is the result it given? So the 1,70,000 is the margin required for the trade, right? And see, this is the back test which is done from the January 2017 to up to sorry, this is what a date where we have mentioned, but we got the back test report up to from 2020 to 21. And let's check it out, how much profit is generated. It generated more than a 2 lakhs rupees profit per lot. The average daily profit is around 580. The average expiry profit is around 2,700. And max profit in a single day we got around 16,000, and the single day we got a loss around 12,000. Okay, and 60% accuracy. Simply it gives you 60% accuracy. The strategy having a 51% accuracy also we can make with the trade, because 1% chances we are going to make profit, right? And 40% loss accuracy loss, and profit on winning days is around 2,800, and loss on winning days is around 2,800. So it is around 1:1 risk 1:1 ratio. We crossed over 81 expiries on that time. And here maximum drawdown, that is what's 36,000. Okay, the maximum drawdown which happened on 36,000 whenever you enter at a peak level, so your account values come down to 36,000 down. So that is why we are having the some cushion. So why even the 1,20,000 margin, so we are having 1,70,000 margin, we are going to use around 2 lakhs as a capital for doing this strategy. and maximum it gives you profit of over 10 days, and maximum losses, consecutive losses is given of 5 days. And most of the time one stop loss get triggered because we are using the days. So how many days we done the trade is around total expiries almost 253 plus 16 and 100, more than 300 days, more than near about 350 days we are taking as a 350 360 days as a back test. The year 16 days we didn't get any stop loss. That is what a very narrow range which happened in the bank nifty for a 16 days. So here the point we can know. So here this is what the day where we are going to make profit, and this is the day also we are going to make profit, because one stop loss got triggered and the remaining one it's never trigger your stop loss and may go to ending with a profit. So here also we are going. So this 12 days is the day where we are going to lose, because these days the like this kind of movement is happening. So around 112 days. So this is the day where we are going to lose money. Okay, but compared to these three scenarios where we are going to make by another two scenarios, only one scenario which is giving us a loss, but overall 153 days is our last days. So even 153 days is our last days, and 228 is your profit days. Compared to that, it is almost 70% more than our last days. So that is why the strategy will generate you the profit over the period of time. And last 2-month back test, or a 2-year back test, how much it is giving you a result. For a 2020, it gives you almost around 1,20,000. If you are using a 2 lakh capital, it is more than 50% return. And this year around 2021, still we got almost 7 month gone, so it is near about 97,000 rupees in profit. Among we done with the 12 plus 19 months of trade. From this 19 months of trade, how much we are going to get a profit? How many months? So one we got a loss, and another one we got a loss. Here another trade loss. Up to taken a 19 months, we made a profit around somewhere around 16 months positive trades, and 3 months we ending with the negative trades or the negative result. But if you compare that overall result, which is very much positive. Okay, so that if you compare with the same capital which you are following for the last 2 months, now our capital would be doubled. So 2.2 lakhs as a capital, now our profit is more than 2 lakhs. But the strategy which gives you more than double than 1.5 years. That is the power of this strategy. So if you want this PDF, just comment on that comment box. I can share with that, or you can contact me through WhatsApp. So that number scrolling on that video, so you can contact the same number. I will share you that link, and you can go through that the previous thing. So each and every day, what is the price and everything it was mentioning here. So you can go through that if you sorry, if you want to this PDF, so I can share with you, or you can go for a stock once you can back test it out. Thank you. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.